Pressing the TV power button but it's not turning on? Your Sony Smart TV isn't responding at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple and effective steps to bring your Sony TV back to life. Step 1. Check power source. First, check the power cable. Make sure the plug is properly inserted into the socket. If possible, try a different power outlet to confirm it's not a socket issue. Step 2. Perform a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait for about 2 minutes. Then plug it back in and press the power button. This simple soft reset can solve most no power issues. Step 3. Check the remote control. Sometimes the issue isn't with the TV, but with the remote. Replace the remote batteries with new ones and try turning the TV on again. Step 4. Use the TV's physical power button. If the remote doesn't work, try pressing the physical power button on your TV to see if it turns on. Step 5. Factory reset. If the TV shows a standby light but the screen remains black or stuck during startup, try a reset. Hold down the power button until the TV restarts. This can often fix booting issues. Step 6. Last option, service support. If your Sony TV still doesn't turn on after these steps, it might be a hardware problem. In that case, the best option is to contact Sony Support or a certified technician. Outro, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Sony TV that won't turn on. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tips and fixes.